Good morning, everybody. Tyler and Cheyenne here, and we're excited to get into some river fishing for you. Temperatures are finally starting to cool down. It's turning to fall down here. And yeah, first thing we want to do when that happens is get into the river fishing action, because that's a great time to get in some big trout. Right now it's about 46 degrees, pretty cool and brisk. And as you can see behind us, the sun hasn't even gotten over the mountains yet. So we got some really nice water to hit. Going after rainbows, cuppos, browns. But yeah, let's get after it.
All right, everybody, just making my way out here. What you won't see is for the first 10-15 minutes I was trying the Z-Spec out, and there seems to be a lot of vegetation kind of floating down the water, so those big hooks are just catching way too many. Every single cast, literally every single cast, I had massive amounts of weeds on my hooks. So switching to something a little bit smaller, HD trout. I got the regular brown on right now. Probably got about 1.5 feet of visibility, maybe 2. Oh, come on, stay on. Oh no, you got it legit. Oh, that's a decent sized fish. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, don't come off. Oh, good sized brown. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna hook this guy and I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna put this rod on my mouth. I'm standing out in the middle of the river. It's a beautiful fish. There it goes. Sweet. HD brown always doing some good stuff, but even I had some weeds on that one. It's Cheyenne's experiencing the exact same thing. Every single cast about, we're pulling in a whole lot of weeds. As I mentioned right after the intro, a lot of vegetation floating down river right now. Where are you going? Going. Yeah. I wasn't even watching. I was looking behind me. Cheyenne was walking up shore. I was wondering where she was going. Rainbow or a cup bow. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a pure rainbow. Ooh, beauty. Ooh. Well, I was gonna try to show you guys a better look, but dropped it. Miss you guys, I can't believe this. It's literally every single cast. If I'm not getting weeds, I'm getting a fish. I know for a fact there wasn't this much vegetation floating around, this bite would be insane. I was really trying to put in some work today with the dynamic lure, so I didn't bring the fly gear, but I can tell you one thing, next time I hit the rivers, which is going to be soon, I am bringing the fly gear, because this is nuts. All right, just trying the micro HD out. There's just so much vegetation in the water. I figure this is my best shot at maybe getting another fish without completely frustrating myself. In front of me for about the next 50 yards is some pretty big rocks in the water and make some pretty nice pockets and seams. So I'm just trying to slow drift up through that. Comment below you've been having any luck with the HD, the micro HD. Haven't really got to throw it too much. Oh, got one. Oh geez, the rock mon's shifting. Little brownie with the micro HD. Little brownie. Well, nothing crazy, but at least I got my first fish on the micro HD. Really pretty looking brown trout. See you, buddy. Natural HD. Well, natural micro HD, I should say. It's the back treble. And again, I haven't really got to put a lot of time in with this. So, glad to get a fish no matter what size it is on it. Oh, got one. Got one. It's not very big, but I got one.
At least somebody's getting some action today. Holy schmoly.
A little brownie. Kind of water ski him in. Nice pattern on him though. Munched it. Beautiful. Cheyenne's made it out here. She didn't bring her insulated waders. She brought her regular ones and it's a little nippy. But she's really trying to get a fish. I think being out here is our best bet. I mean, it's not like anywhere we go, we're avoiding vegetation. Yeah, I really believe that if we can just present it to them properly, they're gonna bite it. It's just that the weeds get on all of it. All right, you guys, I am on again. Yay. This one feels a little bit better. Hoping my battery does not die by the time before I get this fish in. I need to start bringing some batteries with me in my pockets out here.
He's gonna run for a while, it looks like. I am on the struggle bus. I've got these, we're both catching a lot of weeds. I don't understand it. There's weeds stuck on the rocks, there's weeds floating, and I don't know, I just can't seem to get anything without weeds right now.
Where the heck is it? Oh, it's over here on the right. This one feels a lot better. He's fighting hard. Yeah, he crushed that thing. Oh, got it. Nice, the fat one. Sweet.
Ooh, that's all right. I got him. We got the progression of that.
Well, that was a grind. Lots and lots of weeds. I'd say 99.9% of our cast between the two of us was a lot of weeds. The times that I didn't get weeds, though, I seem to get fish. I really think that if we didn't have all this vegetation floating down the river right now, the bite would have been a lot better. But hey, at least we still got some decent ones, and I'm glad I at least got my skunk out with the micro HD. Like I said before in the video, I haven't got a lot of time to throw it, so glad to at least get a trout on it. But now with fall weather approaching, expect some more river content from us, and hopefully we can get some big trout for you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, you guys, as always, TEAMCOFF signing out.